Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Homesteading of the Grid. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to make my Chinese cabbage soup. It's so easy and it's so yummy. So let's get into my kitchen. Okay guys, this is our ingredients for our Chinese cabbage soup. So first, I have my Chinese cabbage here. I think this is like 200 pound, 200 grams. And I have my cilantro here. And I have 1 pound ground pork meat. And I have 2 of these green onions. I have ginger. I have garlic. We're gonna use all of this. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon black ground pepper, and 5 cups of water. That's all we need to make our Chinese cabbage soup. So let's start. Okay guys, our cooking pot is hot, so let's put our oil and put our garlic and ginger. Okay, our ginger and garlic it's cooked, so let's put our ground pork meat and cook this for at least 10 minutes. Let's season it with basil. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon black ground pepper. Mix. And let's wait for 10 minutes. Don't cover your pot. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So, let's put our 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 5 cups of water and bring it to boil. Okay guys, it's boiled. So, let's put our green onions and our Chinese cabbage. And bring it to boil for 7 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 7 minutes. So let's mix it up. It's almost done. So last, let's put our cilantro. And and let's put our another 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And let's try the soup if we need more salt or what. We need to put half a teaspoon of salt. And bring it to boil again, and it's done. Okay guys, it's boiling now, so turn off the fire. And taste test time. Taste time.
That looks delicious.
Yep, look at that. Smells so good too.
Heck yeah, it does.
Okay, let's put it in our bowl.
You're going to put it in the Christmas bowl? That's a nice
Yep, you
Christmas-
want to try first, son?
No, you can try first. Hey, everybody.
Hello.
You can try first unless you want me to, unless if you put habanero peppers in there.
No.
I'm having trust issues with you after that habanero pepper thing and that one thing you cooked. But I've learned my lesson. I haven't been making any faces at you, have I?
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Let's try. This is good, like it's a cold weather.
It's good if it's a cold weather. Honey, your cooking's good through all kinds of weather. This is good enough for the 4th of July.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my chili here in my pocket. I hope guys you cook this recipe because it's so simple.
And it's very delicious. As long as you leave the habanero peppers out of it, huh, honey?
Yep.
Okay, well, I've been cutting firewood.
No.
Unya.
No. It's so good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy our video and we'll see you next time.
I was going to say I've been cutting firewood and I ran 3 miles and lifted weights. I'm hungry. I got to eat this, so we got to go. You want
Bye-bye.
Shut up, Roger. Pat said so. Tell Ron we said hi, Pat. Bye-bye.